Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
वास्को मांगोर हिलार लोकल ट्रान्समिशन जाला म्हूण कळना फुडें आरोग्य खात्याची थळाव्या आमदार नगरसेवकांची धांवपळ. दिसभर 250 जाणांची स्वॅब टेस्ट घेतली. सध्या एके फॅमिलीचे 6 आनी 2 शेजारी पॉझिटिव्ह सापडल्यात. दोतोर नेगेटिव्ह. आंकडो वाडपाची शक्यताय म्हूण सुत्रां सांगतात. मांगोर हिल सध्या हाय अलर्टार. बुधवारा त्या वाठारांतल्या लोकांची स्वॅब टेस्ट घेतले.
We have 6 more confirmed cases today. 4 are family members of the 2 people who are residents of Mangor, who we spoke about yesterday. 4 more of that family and 2 neighbors of that family who came in contact with them. So 6 more confirmed cases. Our cured cases are 13. 7 actually were declared cured yesterday after the press conference. We got the results later on in the evening. It was almost 8:39 by the time we got the results. Plus 6 more have been declared cured today. So 13 are the cured cases. So this brings our active number of cases to 22. Of course, we have taken about 200 samples. Today from Mangor Hills alone we have collected around 200 samples. We have focused on the immediate vicinity of the house which had the residents positive. Some more of them have confirmed positive today I have announced to you. So starting from that house we have done our the testing activities, drawing of the samples, and we have expanded further. We have tried to cover the high risk category of people, elderly, the expecting mothers or anyone who has any comorbidity condition, and their tests will keep going on. We will be continuously doing this process now as long as this particular area remains a continuous zone.
2 दिसांत 8 दुयेंतींची भर पडली. तरी मजगती 13 जाण बरे जाल्ल्यान गोंयांत एक्टिव्ह कोरोना दुयेंतींचो आंकडो मंगळार सांज मेरेन 22 पावलो. वास्को मांगरार आनी कोरोना केसीस सापडत जाल्यार पुराय वास्को सील करपाची तयारी दवरल्या म्हूण आमदार सांगता.
काल डॉक्टर यादव was tested for the virus, was found negative last night at 2 राती. आणि म्हाका हांवें CM आतां फोन मारला. इवन आय कॉल्ड द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ हेल्थ एंड सावथ कलेक्टर. तांकां सांगला की ते व्हायरस समज स्प्रेड जाता बाय इवनिंग वी हॅव टू सील वास्को. टोटल वास्को लॉकडावन करता आमकां. समज वाडले जाल्यार इन केस this it will multiply, then we'll have to seal Vasco by evening. आता सकाळी त्यांनी चेकिंग स्टार्ट केला इन मंगोर कॅम्प. there's a camp only outside. So they want to check the neighbors, the family, the neighbors, and then they want to check the full area. So अनेक पण म्हाका विनंती करता लोकांक वास्कोकारांक डोंट पॅनिक. एवरीथिंग इज अंडर कंट्रोल.
की सगळ्यांक मंगूर एरियन एसेन्शियल कॉमोडिटीज अवेलेबल करतले. पॅनीक जावपाची गरज ना. ते पुलीस फोर्स आसा, तशेंच मामलेदार आसा, डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आसा, सगळे स्टाफ फूल स्विंग काम करतात. तशेंच म्हाका दिसता पुलीस ऑलरेडी 70 पुलीस आसात आनी तशेंच डेप्युटी कलेक्टराचे स्टाफ आसात. हांव आनी एकदां रिक्वेस्ट करता की वास्कोकारांनी पॅनीक जावपाचें सिच्युएशन आजून जावं ना.
दुसरे वटेन कोलवा पुलीस स्टेशनांतल्या कॉन्स्टेबलाक कोरोना बादिल्ल्यान पुलिसांची धांवपळ. कोलवा पुलीस स्टेशन सॅनिटायज केला. पुलिसांचे टेस्टी सुरू. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.